Thanks for joining us, whether you're streaming the show from around the world or live with us here in Pier 57 in New York City.
I'd like to introduce you to Google Pixel Watch 2. It's completely upgraded inside and out, including major performance improvements. And you're getting Google and Fitbit experiences you won't find on any other smartwatch, with the best of Fitbit health and fitness tracking. We've upgraded the design and materials as well. People love the sleek water droplet look of the first Pixel Watch. We're upgrading our low-profile design for Pixel Watch 2 with more durable cover glass and 100% recycled aluminum housing that's lighter and more comfortable to wear when you're at play and at rest. And we took the same care with our new bands and watch faces. Elegant metals are designed to impress. Our new sport design is more breathable. And Pixel Watch 2 uses the same simple band mechanism, so last year's Pixel Watch bands still work great. And you'll see big upgrades across the entire Pixel Watch 2 experience. The new quad-core CPU gives you smooth, snappy performance. And battery life has improved as well. Even with the display in always-on mode, you'll get 24 hours of use on a single charge. And it charges faster too, with a 12-hour charge in just 30 minutes. You're also getting the full Wear OS 4 experience with new apps like Gmail and Calendar, improvements to YouTube Music, Maps, and Google Assistant, and more of the third-party apps you know and love. Pixel Watch 2 comes in a Wi-Fi and an LTE version. You can pre-order starting today, and they'll ship next week. Every Pixel Watch 2 also comes with 6 months of Fitbit Premium, which unlocks a whole new level of insights and content to help inform your wellness journey.
Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are the most beautiful phones we've ever made. They're the centerpiece of Google's growing Pixel portfolio, and you can see how well they're complemented by the rest of the family. Every Pixel device, from the phone in your hands, to the watch on your wrist, to the buds in your ear, and to the tablet in your home, is designed to fit into your life seamlessly, to provide a helpful, fluid experience, and to reflect the human, optimistic, and daring design that Pixel is known for. Instead of angular corners and edges, Pixel devices replicates that calming feeling of picking up a smooth piece of sea glass. Pixel 8 is an evolution of the iconic Pixel design with more fluid contours and a smaller size that feels so natural to hold. Pixel 8 Pro introduces new considered design elements into the portfolio. We're using a soft, silky, matte glass finish to contrast with the high polished camera bar and highlight our powerful new camera system. We bring that same thoughtfulness to Pixel's color palette, which continues to evolve with natural and inviting hues. Our porcelain shade on Pixel 8 Pro is accented by a soft gold trim for a luxurious ceramic look. And our new bay blue color is both energetic and hopeful. We're even updating Pixel Buds Pro today with new colors to go with our new phones, including bay blue and porcelain. So we've been working on a new display offering which we're calling the Actua Display. You'll see it for the first time on Pixel 8. The 6.2-inch Actua display on Pixel 8 is 42% brighter than on Pixel 7 and gives you ultra real-world clarity for your videos, for your games, your photos, and everything else that you do on your phone. And Pixel 8 Pro takes our real-world display technology to the next level with our new Super Actua display. This 6.7-inch display is even more immersive, and it's our brightest display yet, with a stunning peak brightness of 2400 nits and a variable refresh rate that intelligently adjusts from 1 to 120 Hertz. Even in direct sunlight, you'll love how true to life your Ultra HDR images look. On the back of Pixel 8 Pro, you can see that we've added a new temperature sensor. It's a convenient and a quick way to check the temp on a pan or to make sure that the milk in your baby's bottle is just the right temperature. We've submitted an application to the FDA so that you can also use our thermometer app to take your own temperature, which can be saved to the Fitbit app in the future.
Audio Magic Eraser identifies different sounds in your video and sorts them into distinct layers that you can control. So now, with a few taps, your baby's video sounds just the way you want. Alongside breakthrough video capabilities, Pixel 8 introduces a whole set of new features that make it easier than ever to get great photos, even in the trickiest conditions. Like when you're trying to take the group photo over and over and over again, only to find somebody is always blinking or rolling their eyes. Group photos are tough, but Pixel gives you the option to make them easier with the new Best Take feature in Google Photos. Best Take uses a series of photos taken closer together to help you create the shot you want. So you can choose what you think is the best expression.
I'm excited to share an early peek at something we've been working on. We call it Assistant with Bard. And it brings the best of both experiences right to your phone. It's a step towards our vision to deliver the world's most helpful personal assistant. Assistant with Bard combines personalized help with reasoning and generative capabilities. So it can hear, it can speak, it can see, and it can even take actions that help you out, right on the device you always have with you. This is an experiment we're super excited about. Let me show you some examples of what it'll be able to do. A great assistant should help you make sense of your day and stay on top of what's important. Open Assistant with Bard and say, "Catch me up on any important emails I missed this week." And you'll get a rundown of what's in your inbox. 3 important emails, including a party invite. Assistant with Bard can dig into the details for you. Where is Grayson's party? It can spot that the party is across the river in Brooklyn. How long will it take to get there? And just like that, you have quick directions from Google Maps. And of course, you can still use the classic assistant features. Text Jenny, do you want to ride with me to Grayson's party? You can see how Assistant with Bard pulls together the information you need from different apps and services so you can get stuff done so much faster.
This week, we're rolling out our biggest update ever to Pixel Buds Pro with a number of AI-enabled features and improvements. We're improving our clear calling technology, which automatically reduces background noise and enhances the voices on any phone call you receive. It doesn't matter if the person is calling you from a busy sidewalk or in a noisy restaurant, you'll hear them even more clearly. And it works on every call. No need to press a button and turn it on each time. Pixel Buds Pro are also among the first earbuds to use Bluetooth super wideband speech. It doubles the bandwidth to make voices sound more natural. And when it's combined with clear calling, your phone calls sound so much better. Just listen to the before and after.
Grabbing a coffee next to the office, and I got a few more meetings to get through and a quick errand, and then I'm gonna be ready to come out and join everybody for dinner. So, are you still thinking of trying that place on 63rd? I've heard really great things about it.
Pixel 8 comes with an unbelievable camera for both photos and videos, a brilliant Actua display, the powerful new Tensor G3 chip for helpful features like best take and the new call screen. And Pixel 8 is available for pre-order today with some great offers. It comes in 3 colors, and it's on shelves next week. Pixel 8 Pro is a true flagship phone with never-before-seen features and design elements. You're getting Super Actua, the best Pixel display ever. Upgraded performance, enhanced connectivity, faster charging speeds. It's the first Pixel with a temperature sensor. You get a massive upgrade in camera sensors and lenses, pro controls for experienced photographers, industry-leading video thanks to Video Boost, and it's the first phone engineered and built for the generative AI era, with new breakthrough AI features coming later this year and so many more in the future. Pixel 8 Pro is available for pre-order now in a fresh range of colors, and it'll be on shelves with Pixel 8 next week.